right, today we're gonna bring a fan with a remote. All right, the remote's very slim. I like this remote. They included the batteries. They included also an app that you could download and remote control. Right now, the actual propellers, if you guys can see, there's two colors. There's wood and there's black. Of course, they give you these. These are actually, it tells you exactly how they go. Right, this is where you actually tie in the fan and make sure that it tells you this side up. All right, so this guy's up. And pretty much that's how you have to set this up. Right now, we're going to go ahead and take a head start and start setting up the whole system on ground so we just hang it in there. All right, I already set up the actual top of it. This has LED lights, so it's magnetic right here, if you guys can see that. But just this part, and it attaches to the actual main part of it. All right, so we're going to set this up today and see how it looks at night. And we're going to perform a couple of tests on it. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, here are the last parts of this. So we gotta make sure we got clearance. Alright, as you can see, we have it set up already. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour to set this up. Alright, it's a little complicated because of the weight itself, but to set it up was very easy, the instructions. Alright, now I did it by myself. The hardest part was the propellers, setting up every propeller, because you gotta have a nut on the top and a bolt in the center. There's 3 points, and there's actually more holes than there is. So if you're gonna set this up, maybe have this built on the floor first and then hang it up on yourself. All right, so I still have to adjust the top. It's a little crooked, but overall it looks beautiful. We're gonna test it out and see how it works. All right, we're gonna turn it off. I couldn't figure out the controllers. So off this one, on this one, and there you go. Now it's on low right now, if you guys can see. I'm gonna do it high. Let me see. This is, it tells you right there, an LCD screen tells you. We're gonna try to see if we could do it different colors. There's one color, 2, 3, and then goes back to normal. So we're gonna turn on the propeller. All right, we're gonna turn on the fan. And there. All right, so with this, you could turn off the actual app from here. You could turn it back on. You could change the colors of the different lights if you want. All right, and then you could turn on the fan from here. You go set it up all the way to level 6, all the way down to 0. All right, and you could dim down the lights too. All right, you got the dimmer here, and that's pretty much it. So this whole fan, you could turn on the light from here, turn it off, and then also the fans from here, control it, and you could kill everything off at once. So very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.